everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills. I thought I would pop on today and just go through some of the stuff that I got during the OnStage event. So I am, of course, popping on. So, you probably just saw today is a pajama day. Yep. I mean, sometimes you just gotta. And after driving most of the day Friday, lots of time yesterday, I was seriously like worn out yesterday. My husband wanted to talk to me about important stuff, and I was like, no, don't talk to me. And I could barely even look through the catalogs that I got. So we're going to start with kind of in order. First, a fun thing some of you may or may not care about. If you're an HGTV fan of Good Bones, I got to go to the District Co. in Indianapolis. That's their little shop. And it's cute, it's tiny, it's expensive. That's all I'm going to say. But I'm glad I went. So it was fun. So I did that. So here's District Co. if you've never seen the building on TV. But I love Two Chicks and a Hammer. So I was good. All right. So when we got in, the leaders were invited to attend the center stage event. And that's different from OnStage. Center stage is a perk of being a leader. So I see a couple people watching. Hi. So everybody who attended got this box. Okay. Leaders got it Friday night. Everybody else Saturday morning. We also got an envelope that it told us it had a letter, but it also had all of our awards and stuff. And the letter told us when to stand up. I have ink on one. Bummer. That's okay. But anyway, so I got my name tag and my ribbons, and also on the back it had your prize number. So that was fun. And of course it had a lanyard with it. And then on top of that, they tossed these. I will explain this stuff later. So we got the mini catalog that's going to be starting in January. Celebration, which will be January and February. And by the way, this will be the only celebration all year. We had been having 2 a year. They're going back to 1 a year. So bear that in mind, because I know a lot of you do some things and you have been splitting them up. Another thing they gave us is a thing about the new paper pumpkin that you can start subscribing to now. And you want to. It is so cute. I think they told me I can't open this, so I'm not going to. I have a lot of little stickers on stuff for some reason. And then there's something you can order with it. I don't know if I can show you. I will. There. Okay. So, anyway, I cannot show you what is inside these catalogs, but I will show you some fun things that I've won or were gifted that are in here. I also have my swaps that I will go through with you guys too. But Celebration is awesome. It's I think any time is a good time to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, but there is a special for joining during Celebration that is pretty primo. So bear that in mind if you're thinking about paying those holiday bills. So this is the front of the catalog. And all of these are things that they let us who attend. We can buy things in advance. So all these yellow stickers here are marked so that I will know, because I'm going to put my order in tomorrow, because tomorrow is a big sale. So I'm going to tell you about that before I open the box. But these are all the things I can order now, and I have to decide which one of those that I want, because all of these are things that I want when I can order anything I want out of here, which will probably be next month. So some of these are bigger wants than some of these. Obviously, you see something right here, has a little star on it. Big want that one. I'll get that one pretty quick. So I'll be ordering tomorrow from the mini catalog. Okay, you already saw that. So before I open this, I just want to, because I don't want to forget to tell you when I get involved in this stuff. tomorrow there is our big seasonal sale, and it starts tomorrow the 15th and it runs through the 18th. In the annual catalog, you can get 10% off any of the punches. I'll post this so you'll have it late tomorrow. 15% off of any of the stamp sets, not the bundles, but the stamps, and not the hostess sets. Those are not included. 20% off all the dies, the folders, and the designer series paper. That is the regular $12, not the $15 specialty paper. But see, that's why they didn't include the bundles, because if you're getting 15% off your stamps and 20% off of your dies, it's a better deal. And 10% off your punches if it's a bundle with punches. So bear all that in mind. So, but trust me when I tell you, if you are not subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, do it. Do it. It's the cutest. So cute. And I don't always feel that way about Paper Pumpkin, but most of the time I do. I have to admit it. Okay, so we got this cute little box, which actually had a handle on it, so that was nice. And inside the box is still at the moment this awesome tote. It's like a little purse. Moving stuff around. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, all of the leaders also got this really cool umbrella. I think I already posted pictures of it, so I don't want to open it up. It has a Stampin' Up logo on the outside, like, you know, the top of the umbrella. I don't think you can see it. No, but on the inside it's white, and then it has a bunch of circles of color. It's really cute. So I did post that, so you might want to, if you're interested and curious about that, you might want to look in. So this tote bag is really, it's cute for a purse, but it's really good for like conferences and business events, because I didn't use mine, obviously, because I wanted to keep it nice for yesterday and that. So it also comes with a notebook and this pen works so well. I don't know who makes it, but it's got our logo on it, but man, it wrote like butter. It was great. So this, someone's calling me. I have to decline, sorry. So this is got the logo on it, and it fits in the back in that little pocket. And then inside here were some goodies. I love goodies. We got these pins to trade. This will give you kind of an idea. We always get a pin about the event, but this will give you an idea of, that's a butterfly, it's just upside down, some of the things in the catalog. We got this hand-drawn dots. It's one stamp set. It's really cool. I saw some really cool things done with this set, so that was pretty awesome. And we got the Beautifully Happy Celebration set. This set you'll be able to get for free with your $100 order in January or February. So it is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Has a little tiny bee on it. It's just, oh, it's so cute. It's two-step stamping. So like these pieces are the leaves, these are the flowers, this is up here, and then this is a double set. So yeah, it's really cute. It's got some really fun sayings in it. So that was what everybody got. And then they do this thing called Prize Patrol, where you win things. And some of you guys, did you see that picture of me where I said I caught it and I couldn't believe I caught it? I'm not kidding you guys. If you were to toss me something, and it did happen, they were trying to toss me something from across the round table I was at, and it was like the thing hit the ground and then my hands clapped together. I'm terrible at it. But somehow I had my hand out, both of my hands just up in the air to play the game. I did not expect to catch anything. And we didn't know what they were throwing out. And it landed in my left hand, mind you. It just like perfectly. And so I just closed my fingers around it and there it was. So this is it's a t-shirt. And this one is not in English. I think it's French. Because that looks like revoir, you know. And vous, it's got to be French, right? So it says welcome back. And the reason that was important is because it's been 3 years since this OnStage event has been live. We've been doing it virtually since the pandemic. So it's pretty exciting. I'm happy with my little French t-shirt. Now my stamping can be ooh la la. Okay, so then they gave away to everybody. This is a new stamp set. It's called Decorative Borders. So this is going to be really fun to color with blends and pencils and the blender pens. So that's going to be a fun one. And then another thing they gave to everybody is this designer series paper. You get, well, I guess it's kind of designer series paper. It's foil paper, if I can get it open. But you get 2 sheets of both colors. Look at that. And it's textured. You can feel the texture in them. But I love them both, but I think the blue is my favorite. So pretty. Okay, so everybody got that. And like I said, 4 sheets, 2 of each of the colors. And that is called Dry Brushed Metallic. And the colors they said are in it are Cajun Craze and Petal Pink, which I think is on this one. And Soft Succulent. So that blue, they're calling it Soft Succulent, but I think it looks more like Balmy Blue. Just my personal opinion. So these 2 things were also things everybody else got. So you can see these are the things that everybody got, and the notebook and the little bag. And then the leaders got some of their things early, and they got the umbrella. And then they did Prize Patrol, which I showed you on the back. You get a number. And the Prize Patrol items were small, but they gave us a lot of stamp sets, and there was other stuff going on too. So I can't really. I am not going to complain. I did a picture of these. I think the picture on the Facebook page is probably better than seeing it here on video, but they're yellow and white flowers, and they almost feel like they're kind of like rubbery, sort of. Yeah, because they bend. And they're just so stinking cute. So you can put them on glue dots. They'd make a great, like, inside a shaker card. So yeah, I'm excited about these little guys, and they're called Loose Daisy Embellishments. So the other thing is, my table mates knew that I really liked. They had this little display that they always put on the tables, and they knew I really liked it. So one of the girls insisted that I take home the pieces, so I did. They were kind of like all uneven and kind of floating on a stand kind of thing. So this is what I really wanted, though, because you're going to see I'm going to pull it off the stick, and it's going to be like up in the corner of my videos or something, because I love it. Anyway, I do have some swaps, but that phone call was my daughter, and you guys know that there's a reason why I need to take her calls. So I will pop back on in a little bit and show you my swaps. I have quite a few of them to share with you. So don't go far. I'll be back on in a few minutes as soon as I find out what she needs from me. Thanks. Bye.